The case of the state of California versus David DePape, the man already convicted in federal court of attacking Paul Pelosi in his San Francisco home, got underway in Superior Court this morning. KTVU's Christien Kafton was inside the courtroom. He joins us now with the latest on what happened today. Christien.
A very big day in court today for David DePape. Both sides in this case presented their opening arguments, their opening statements to the jury, and the prosecution began laying out its case.
Inside Department 19 in San Francisco's Hall of Justice, prosecutors and defense attorneys for David DePape made their opening statements. Prosecutors began by saying Paul Pelosi awoke to a nightmare on October 28, 2022, when David DePape entered his bedroom. They played the body-worn camera footage from the police officers showing DePape wrestling the hammer away from Paul Pelosi before bringing it down on his head. Defense attorney Randall Knox has also served as a prosecutor in San Francisco and says that video is a critical piece of evidence.
It's a 21st century case because here you have the crime recorded on video. If this was 30 years ago, you'd have to have police officers describing what they saw. But here, it's clear and it's not disputed.
DePape's defense team didn't argue the facts in the case, instead saying he has a mental illness diagnosis and got caught up in an elaborate conspiracy fantasy and felt he had to act. In essence, saying he didn't form the intent to commit the crimes for which he is now standing trial.
This is more like attempted murder requires a specific intent to kill. If at the worst, it could be attempted voluntary manslaughter. If he did not have the state of mind necessary to intend to kill him with a level of malevolence.
Following opening statements, the prosecution began their case, first playing a recording of Paul Pelosi calling 911 the night of the attack. Prosecutors then called the first officers to respond to the scene to describe what they saw that night and breaking down the body-worn camera footage of the attack. The defense team established that moments before the attack, DePape appeared to be calm and didn't immediately present as a threat.
And the trial is expected to resume tomorrow morning with medical experts and police officers ready to take the stand. In all, there were 4 officers that took the stand today. This case moving at a rather brisk pace. It could be in the jury's hands as early as next week. In San Francisco, Christien Kafton, KTVU, Fox 2 News, back to you.
Christien, thank you.